You're getting dust in your home, but you don't know where it's coming from? Well, here's a place that you might not think to check. Your register grills sometimes are not sealed properly by installers, and this is a great DIY project that you can do by yourself. Move your registers, and you want to grab yourself some foil tape, not duct tape. Duct tape is actually not for ducts. Little gaps between the duct and the drywall will stir up loose little bits of insulation and pieces of the drywall, and if you don't tape it properly, you'll get dust in your home. Another common area where dust can be coming from is around smoke detectors, outlets, receptacles, switches. Number one source might actually be your dryer vent. Follow to learn how to clean it.